Nightmare, nightmare. All right, so let's use that. I think I need another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straps. All right, what we doing here, love? Can't go anywhere other than further forward. Legs, boots, even the floor. I never get in with my boots, but
You did say what?
about an hour and a half to get the stuff on. Morning guys, to another Trucking UK video. As you can see in the back of me, a JPL truck at the minute. My truck was getting fixed yesterday, but I already made plans with JPL, so I'm not letting them down. So that will stay there for about 2 days, and then back on Tuesday, we're back working this little beast again. I just gotta move my car, put it in my little space. I need to get a flatbed, and then I'll be ready to go. Right, throw packed up, let's get out of here. So we're taking the second trailer on the far right there. So all I gotta do, I dropped it yesterday, just get underneath and double check it. Obviously that nothing happened through the night, but that trailer's good to go. I was on it yesterday all day, so let's do that. So I dropped it high enough so I knew I wouldn't just be able to get underneath of it, but I still count how high it is and still have a look at it. Simple reason. Yeah, that should be alright there. Never get to this. Oop! Wow! 2 tugs. Make sure that everything is fine. Look at them tires. I don't know why I even waste my time checking this one. Darren just look after this truck better than he looks after himself. I lost the other one. The markers are good. It's gonna go around this quicker. Okay, time to get going. All right, just having another little look at the place that I'm going to before I set off. I had a look at this last night. I did all my planning. How am I gonna get in? How am I gonna get out? Doesn't seem too difficult. So what I'm gonna do when I get there, I'm gonna come around here, and then I'm just gonna push myself in there a bit. Hopefully it's not gonna be any cars there, but if there is, I'm gonna have to manage somehow and come up with another plan, and then just reverse on my good side into the doors, and that should be us done good. So that's the plan. Let's do it. Time to get going, guys. All right, let's go. So I'll be there in 5 minutes, but the problem I have is that it's 22, so I was meant to be there at 7, and I just don't want to turn up too early and then there is no one and the door's closed, and then because it's a tight little yard, well, no yard, building space or whatever it is, but the road probably is gonna have cars right, left and center. It's a lot of houses around, and then I don't want to go there and then have to get out. It's one of them things that I might gonna have to chance to go in, have a look at it, and then make my mind up on what's going on. Let's plan this well. Okay. Yeah, it should be alright. We're just coming around the corner. Alright, it seems like it's gonna be 2 sharp ones. Oh my god. That's fine. Okay, that's not too bad. All right, I got an idea. What to do. I'm gonna have to reverse in there my blind spot, but I got another option. All right, don't we all like a little bit of blind spots as well? Just gotta watch out with that car on that side. Oh. I jacked it up a little bit too much there. I just do my window. Yeah, that's fine. Let's go. All right, okay. All right, all I gotta do now is just reverse all the way there. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm reversing with that thing on, and then I want to turn it off. There it is, a button that you turn up the reversing. I'm fine anyway. Oh, there you go. So I don't want to be waking up everyone. Yeah, that's fine there. Just gotta be careful with the cars, right, left and center. All right, I'm gonna go and this carefully and see if I can let people out. It's a little bit of the gap there in that entrance. It's all right, sir. Go on. Yeah, people can't go past it. All right, okay. Let me turn this truck off at the last. I don't want to be bothering people. Know what I mean? So I'm packed up right. I'm gonna go and speak to them. Hopefully they open it. But like I said before, I am 20 minutes early. Even doing the reverse and everything, still too early, which is better than being late, I will say. I'm gonna go there and see if they want me to park on the road or they want me to get in there. But it seems we're gonna go and have a look at that. It's not gonna be too bad to get around there. Oh, nightmare. We've been there. It's not that bad. Just getting in there. Oh god, I know. And this is how it looks. That's on tow building. Oh, this. The back. Put my windows down. To have a look to know where I'm going. Yeah. You know. Actually thinking about it, go head first and reverse out, I think. No, would have been a nightmare. First, just get the ass a bit in there. All right, let's put that on and then let's reverse. So let me see what I do. Can we get that car moved? Not that one, from to there, so I can go up and down. All right, I'll do it there. Stop. All right. That's what you call a good driving.
Good morning, mate.
Morning, pal. So he did say about an hour and a half to get everything done.
He did say what?
About an hour and a half to get the stuff on.
Yeah, I would think so, mate.
All right, okay. I just get my straps out. This is not like anything I've done before. So basically, they're using that and they changed it to land it on top of that, on top of the flatbed, which is absolutely amazing. And you stand back, look what they did. All right, so let's use that, which is gonna be pretty amazing. Let's get it in my truck. All right, we already loaded most of the stuff, so I just strap in this last one, and then I'm gonna go and strap the other one, because on top of this we're putting more stuff. Not much to go. I think I need another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straps, and then the ratchets, and that should be already ready to go. I'll show you how this looks in a minute. Hold on. All right, everything's strapped down. I don't know if you can see me properly there, but everything's strapped down, ready to go. I'm just washing my hands. I'm in a building site, so this is to be expected. All right, this is the load. So all the ratchets are down, and it was one ratchet that I was wondering, like, yeah, that needs 1 or 2 tokens. So let's go up. Oh, it did manage to get that one. I think one will be all right. All right, even the seat took a hit. Look at the way I am. Gonna have to do a little bit of cleaning before handing this truck in anyway, so let's do Liverpool. Here we go. At least I managed to clean my hands. I just want to say this before I start driving. I'm all dirty. I don't know if you can see. Legs, boots, even the floor. I never get in with my boots, but the truck was dirty already, so I thought like I might as well, and then give it a clean when I finish. I miss doing these kind of jobs. It makes me feel like I'm alive getting out. I'm dirty. I haven't been dirty in a while. From a building site, I must say it's amazing. It's amazing. I miss strapping stuff down. Look at this. Look at all that strapped down, and I'm more than happy with it. Right, opening that. Time to go. All right. Yeah. Amazing. Whoa. All right, what we doing here, love? Can't go anywhere other than further forward. All right, my mum, thank you. All right, my old lady, how are we gonna do this? Yeah, it's about 200, but somebody's grandnan, so we need to look after it. All right, okay, are we good there? Yeah, if anything happened, you will hear the bang. This is what building sites bring you. Mate, you need to go right back at it. All right. He's an amazing bloke. Thank you very much. Thank you. Woo! Who said this is not a good job? This is an amazing job. It's amazing. Everything is amazing about it. What's not good about it? I love it. I love it. Really? He's gonna push in slowly. 10. All right. Yes. Woo. Everything looks mint. Everything's strapped down to the floor. I mean, to the trailer, to the floor. Oh, sorry guys. I just can't drive like fast because I got this stuff in the back. But I know more or less where I'm going, so I don't need to drive any fast. All right, back on the road. Alright, welcome to Liverpool. I'm just gonna give you a short tour around the city. This is the Lava building. As you can see on the top of it, you've got the two lava beds. In here we did a parade long time ago, and then we went and met Chippy Tits in there. If you don't know who Chippy Tits is, it was the, I think it's MP you call it. I'm pretty sure he's in jail now. I don't know. If you know, let me know in the comments. Gonna go and drop this load, obviously. Still strapped down, still in the back. We're gonna go back and drop this truck, and then we're getting dropped off. People really don't care about their life in Liverpool. This is the Liverpool Eye. I'm pretty sure it's the Liverpool Eye it's called. I can't remember. And I've been on it like hundreds of times. Like twice, 3 times maybe. But yeah, I've been on it quite a few times. To get around there, we're just dropping off on that one there. And if you haven't seen it, that is the bike. Everybody's pedaling. All right, my guy is there. Need to start unstrapping everything. He's just gonna move up there. Pull that on. All right, let's go and do some work. All right, I got 2 straps off. They got the forklift in there, and then we're gonna start taking it all off now. Hey, lock it back, open. All right, 2 to go, and I should be good to go now. It's been around, I don't know, about 2 hours getting tipped back and forward, putting the straps in the box as well. It's going to be a little bit difficult getting in there, pulling forward, getting in there, and getting out of here. So last few here, and then we get out of here. Hold on, I just need to pull in there and get out of here. All right. Oh no, really? Oh no. Alright, it's a bit tight there, like. Shouldn't be too bad there, but I went too far there. I have to do it again. Oh, I don't know if that's close. I don't know. That should be alright there, actually. Look how busy this place is. It's absolutely mental. This is Liverpool for you. And this, I'm gonna go now. I actually do have to go. So thank you for everything. Cheers, guys. And I will catch you in the next video, Trucking UK. Cheers.